going on, guys? It's Brett again with Brett's Mobile Wash and Wax, here working with RCC on another detailing video. Today we're going to be using DA Orbital Polisher, HD Speed, which is a one-step light swirl mark polish, and it also has a sealant that it leaves behind, so it's kind of an all-in-one. Today, guys, we're going to be polishing this 2000 red Honda Accord. It has some love marks, some light swirls, so we're going to see how far this one-step can get it. Alright, guys, so just like usual, if you see my last video about the waterless wash, we'll do the same process. We're going to take our spray. This is O&R, the same dilution as you would put in the bucket, 256 to 1. We're going to take one of our microfibers. It's been soaking in the solution. Fold it in fours, top to bottom like always. And take it, wipe the panel down. All the dirt is caught on the towel, and this is a completely decontaminated panel. Alright, guys, so the panel, the whole door is completely now decontaminated, washed with O&R. The next step before you ever want to do any kind of paint correction is always clay bar. You don't know what kind of bonding contaminants there are on the panel, anything tree sap, road grime, stuff like that. This clay bar is going to get a lot of it off and prepare the panel to be polished in a minute. Alright, guys, take a look at this clay bar. After just a quarter of the door, it's completely covered in a layer of grime and salt and dirt and oil that's been on this door. Guys, I forgot to mention, usually you want to use a quick detailer or spray wax, something like that, as a lubricant. I use a bottle of O&R, and I just kind of double or triple the dilution, so I put a little bit more O&R. It works just fine. Alright, guys, a very, very important step. Anytime you're correcting paint, you always want to have a clean panel. So after clay barring, I use the quick detailer, so there's going to be some wax left over. I want to completely strip that off and have a bare panel when I polish. So I'm going to use an IPA wipe down. Some people use degreasers. IPA wipe down works just the same. It's a lot cheaper. I can buy a bottle of 91% isopropyl alcohol at any Walmart, Target. I dilute it 50-50, so half water, half IPA.
Put a smell on you.
Alright, guys, for this I'm going to be using a Lake Country Force orange medium cup pad. It's a good all-in-one. It works great for this kind of thing. As far as polished, we have two options. Traditionally, there's the Meguiar's 205 polish. It's the lifelong, everyone uses it, it works great. It does a great job. It would work great on this kind of panel. I'm going to choose to use HD Speed, which is an all-in-one product. It's very similar. It's a polish. It's going to remove these light swirl marks, but this is unique in the fact that it's also going to leave behind a sealant. So in one step, you're polishing and then protecting your paint. Alright, guys, first I'm going to prime the pad. You always want to prime your pad. Just makes working a lot easier, a lot more consistent instead of having the 3 dots. Just going to spread it on, make sure it's evenly coated over the entire pad. Is this step absolutely necessary? No. There's tons of people that do 3 dots. I used to do just 3 dots and it works just fine. When you want to be consistent, if you have the time, you're not in a rush, it's something that's definitely going to help. So right now I'm not in a rush. It's a nice day out, so I don't mind doing it. Alright, once it's primed and the polish is rubbed into the pad, I'm due traditional 3 dots. Alright, guys, I'm going to work in a 2x2 section right now. I have this taped off for a good before and after. So if you want, start, tab out a couple pieces. I'm going to keep my DA on 2. And just work it in first, and then I'm going to ramp up to 6 and polish it out.
Yes, the thrill is gone, gone, gone to stay. Baby.
Alright, guys, one of the great things about HD Speed is how easily it wipes off. So I just finished doing the entire panel with a brand new clean microfiber towel. I'm just going to wipe it off. Flip it, give it a quick buff. And now this panel looks night and day, completely different. All the light swirl marks are gone. It's sealed, the shine's restored, I know it's protected. Guys, as you can see from the tape difference, this side of the tape is completely devoid of any swirl marks. Scratches are gone. The shine is night and day difference. You can see there's an oxidation, a haze on this panel. this panel looks almost as if brand new. Of course, deeper scratches, dents, chips, those aren't fixed with a one-stage polish. But a lot of the swirl marks are completely gone. Alright guys, thanks again for watching the video. As you can see now, it's very easy. Anyone can do this. There's no need to be afraid. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching, guys.